fix a 3DS in 3 minutes. Thanks for joining me today. This is DMCJEDI, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a 3DS with a damaged power port. I don't have any experience with 3DSs. In fact, I've never soldered anything to a motherboard, but I think it can be done. So I went to Harbor Freight Tools and I got some stuff here. So if you come over here, and if you also notice, I've increased in belt rank here. Yep. Got a black degree on the green belt. Last time you guys saw my white belt, but that is no more. So right now I have this soldering iron all heated up. Don't get too close, it's gonna get too hot. Okay, hold on. We're gonna turn some light on. You can see the circuits in there. Let me see that. If you go really close, you can see where this has come right off of the power port. Can you see that? It's really low. Back off, dude. Anyways. All right, so we're gonna try and solder this baby. Don't drop the cord into the soldering iron. Okay. So I got everything through here. First, we'll just put some on here and see if it works. Oh, I'm gonna start a fire for sure. Okay. I'm not even sure how to solder. I saw it done in a video once. This is going to be interesting. So we started soldering these. I've never soldered before, but we'll have some different types of wires, but never 3DS soldering. And it's kind of cool. I'm just hoping I'm not like soldering circuits together, because this thing is super hot, and whenever the solder starts melting, it's just like crazy metal stuff all over the place. So we can try and put some more of the stuff on there. Okay. See if I can do this. What? Okay.
Can I put another one in?
Come on, man. I'm doing a video. Sure.
There's no more.
Ow. As you can see, I just burned my hand. That's hot. Yeah, those things, they appear to be, I wonder if they're moving or not. Oh, Daddy may have it. I may have solved this equation. Let's do the last little bit of soldering here.
Yeah.
All right, fast forward about 15 minutes. It was over probably a few seconds after that last clip of video where I was soldering with my Harbor Freight kit, and I think I fused all the circuits together, so I think I ruined the 3DS. So, sorry, Noah. It's my son there. Sorry about that. Anyways, I'm not going to show you all the gory details, but I did my best, and
you broke it.
I tried to solder some circuits.
How to fix a 3DS in 3 minutes.